Here's an interesting travel secret. When traveling with carry-on bags, what if you want to check your luggage? After all, lugging baggage through airports is no fun, and lifting them into overhead bins on crowded airplanes is no fun either.
Please put your carry-on items in our compartments or buckets. One of these all likely items may be placed in the pocket. Needed assistance, please let us know.
So here's the secret. When you get to your gate, ask at the counter if they'll check your bag. 80% of the time, they'll check your bag for free, but you have to ask. Now you can move about freely without your baggage until you reach your destination. Try it out.